Welcome to Daily English Talk. Today's story is called The Late Bus. It's a simple story about time, patience, kindness, and life. Tom misses his bus, and something surprising happens. Let's begin. Breathe in, breathe out, and enjoy the story.
Okay. Keys, wallet, water bottle, backpack. I think I have everything. Good morning, Tom.
Morning. Or something like morning.
You sound tired. Did you sleep late?
Yes, I was doing something important.
Studying English?
No, watching cute cat videos for 3 hours.
Tom.
Hey, the cats were learning English too. Maybe.
Okay, Mr. Cat Teacher. Go. Don't miss your bus.
Me? Miss my bus? Impossible. I am Bus Master Tom. Oh no. No. That's my bus! Stop! Please! I love you! Come back! It left me. My bus left me. I have been abandoned.
Bus Master Tom.
He died today. I can't believe this. Now I'm going to be late. My boss will be angry. My coffee will get cold. My day is ruined.
Take a breath.
I don't want air. I want my bus.
Remember what we always say. Slow English, slow life, happy life.
Fine, I will try. Inhale. Exhale.
Good. Now, how long until the next bus?
17! That's almost 20! And 20 is almost 30, and 30 is...
Relax, dramatic hero. Just wait.
Rough morning, son.
Oh, hello. Yes, I missed my bus.
Ah, the famous morning tragedy.
Yes, my life is... destroyed.
Young people always think missing a bus is the end of the world.
Isn't it?
No. Sometimes missing the bus means you are right on time for life.
My brain is too tired for philosophy.
Perfect time to learn then. Look around you. People walking, birds singing, a breeze, the world moving slowly. You never see this when you run.
It's peaceful.
Peace is always here. We just run past it.
I run past everything in the morning, especially happiness and breakfast.
Let's learn some words from this moment. Word or phrase. Meaning. Miss the bus. Not catch the bus. Wait. Stay and not move. Relax. Become calm. Breathe. Take air in and out. Anna, repeat after me. Miss the bus.
Miss the bus.
I missed the bus, but it's okay.
I miss the bus, but it's okay.
Relax and breathe.
Relax and breathe.
Perfect.
Do you wait here every day?
Yes, I enjoy watching the morning start.
I usually rush.
Rushing is a habit. So is peace.
How do I choose peace?
You already did. You sat down. You breathed. You listened.
Only because I missed the bus.
Life pushes us sometimes to slow us down.
Let's practice useful bus-related sentences. When does the next bus arrive?
When does the next bus arrive?
I missed the bus.
I missed the bus.
I will wait patiently.
I will wait patiently.
Good job.
The bus! It's here!
Your ride to the future.
Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you for listening. Most people don't.
Can I see you again tomorrow?
Maybe. Or maybe today was the lesson.
Have a wonderful day.
You already are.
Anna, I feel different.
Different how?
Calm. Like missing the bus was a gift.
It was.
I think for the first time I saw the morning.
Welcome to life in slow motion. Let's review. Sentence practice. I missed the bus. I can wait calmly. Rushing isn't necessary. I choose peace today. Repeat one more time. I choose peace today.
I choose peace today.
And that is today's story, The Late Bus. Remember, sometimes life is slow on purpose. Waiting is not weakness. Peace is a decision. Even a late bus can teach you something.
Less rushing
More breathing.
and more English practice.
See you next time on Daily English Talk.